Alright, we're going to start on this car. It's a 1997 Dodge Neon tail light or turn signal bulb replacement on here. I'm going to go inside here. It's got a clip here. You might not even need it. This one actually pulls open. And we can get inside here. We can give this a turn counterclockwise. And there's the bulb. And it just pulls out. Ooh. Just like that. You can see inside there. Maybe there's two filaments. One's a brake light, one's a turn signal. Let's see what the other one is. There's actually another one up here too. Same thing, turn counterclockwise and pull it out. Also two filament bulb. So right now I'm gonna have to say that maybe put the wrong bulb in one of these. Be right back. Alright, this is where you can see working left turn signal is working. Let's just go inside here and see. See how the flasher's flashing like that, so that's good. Alright, for the turn signals, then we have a 3-wire connector, and that's for the top, and that is for your turn signals. So you take the bulb out and you make sure you get a 2-filament bulb again. This is a 3157's on the bulb here. So we're going to put that in. There we go. And it's flashing. We put that in and we'll be turning it clockwise. Again, just got to line up the holes in there. You can kind of sort of see it's down almost at 6 o'clock position. And then we turn it almost to 9 o'clock position. So probably the same for the bottom one. Lift the bulbs out of this one too. So let's put the bulb in. Put it back together like it was. Put the bulb in. It's for reverse on the bottom. There we go. Yep. So counterclockwise, about the 6 o'clock position, and then to put them back in is from the 6 o'clock up to the 9 o'clock. So I hope this helps you replace your bulbs in your Dodge Neon.